Welcome back to UX Product Design Mastery. I'm Param Sangha, and today's video is about breaking into the UX product design field and how to make meaningful connections. We dive deep into the importance of networking into the UX community, offering practical tips to help newcomers start building a robust professional network. We kick off the video by outlining the reasons networking is essential in UX design. Next, we guide you through the different ways to start networking. We also share effective networking strategies. By the end of this video, you'll understand how networking can be an invaluable tool in your UX design career and have the confidence to start making connections that could open doors to countless opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your network, this video is your guide to effective networking in the UX community. So let's dive right in. The power of networking in the UX community, a beginner's guide. As a newcomer to UX product design, you're about to embark on an exciting and rewarding journey. One of the key elements in this journey is networking within the UX community. Just as design is about relationships between elements on a page or screen, your career will be significantly influenced by the relationships you cultivate within your professional network. Why is networking important in UX design? Networking is essential in UX design for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to learn from a broad range of perspectives and experiences. UX design is a field that is continuously evolving, so keeping up to date with new trends, tools, and methods is crucial. By connecting with others in the field, you can tap into their knowledge and experiences, gaining insights that you may not find in books or online articles. Secondly, networking can open up opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and employment. Many job openings in UX design are filled through personal connections, and having a strong network can also lead to opportunities to collaborate on projects or learn from a mentor. How to start networking in the UX community. 1. Online communities, websites like LinkedIn, UX design forums, Slack groups, and even Twitter can be a great place to start. Follow influential UX designers and participate in discussions. Be active, ask questions, and share your own insights. 2. Local meetups and conferences. Attending local UX meetups and conferences is a fantastic way to meet other designers face to face. These events often feature presentations and workshops, providing a chance to learn new skills while meeting others in the field. 3. UX design classes and workshops. Enrolling in UX design classes or workshops can not only help you improve your skills, but also introduce you to others who are interested in the same area. 4. Professional organizations. Joining professional organizations, such as the Interaction Design Association or the User Experience Professionals Association, can provide additional networking opportunities. Tips for effective networking. 1. Be genuine. Networking isn't just about what you can gain from others. It's also about what you can offer. Be genuinely interested in other people's work and experiences. Ask insightful questions and listen carefully to their responses. 2. Share your work. Don't be afraid to share your own work and ask for feedback. This can be a great way to start conversations and learn from others. 3. Follow up. If you've had a good conversation with someone, don't hesitate to follow up with them later. This could be as simple as sending a LinkedIn connection request with a personalized message, or emailing them to thank them for a particularly helpful piece of advice. 4. Keep learning. One of the best ways to add value to your network is to continuously improve your own skills and knowledge. This makes you a valuable connection for others, as you can offer your own insights and experiences. 5. Patience and persistence. Building a strong network takes time. Be patient and keep putting yourself out there. The more you interact with the UX community, the more opportunities you'll have to make meaningful connections. In conclusion, networking is an invaluable tool for anyone starting out in UX product design. It's an ongoing process that can provide a wealth of knowledge, opportunities, and support. Remember, every person you meet is a potential door to a new opportunity, personally or professionally. Cultivate good relationships, and you'll see the benefits in the long term. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. I'll be more than happy to engage with you and help you grow as a UX designer. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, take care and happy designing.